location from the game, about to shoot another robot, and scene 4 should also be the raider.
Loadout set. Systems green. We deploy on my mark. Contact pop. Closing fast. Loadout set. Systems green. We deploy on my mark. Contact pop. Closing fast. Neutralizing threat. Leaper jumping. Cook it.
You can make memes. You can make memes and stories or interactions from a single prompt. And I relocated recently, and after I applied for Y Combinator, which is really shit, like killed my momentum for a bit, but I'm back. Back, baby, bender. And Nano Banana 2, I think, got released some days ago. Yeah, some days ago. It's pretty recent, and I want to test it by also showcasing my app. So let's get it. I basically want to see if it can recreate arc raiders perfectly, because I tried to do it before. It didn't work. Kind of just made some generic stuff. So I will be using Pro first to test it, and then I'll switch to Nano Banana 2. Let's hit the prompt right now. So this is the actual endpoint we're working with. Imagine route. Ignore that. It's just I do so many updates. It's just hard to stick with the renaming conventions. I'll probably update that later. But this is the actual model, Nano Banana Pro on this route. So let's test this out real quick. It's on memes mode, which is okay since we're just creating images. Leave that. Get the prompt first. I can just use my voice instead of typing. Let's try that. I want to recreate the lobby of Arc Raiders. It has to look like the actual Arc Raiders game. I want this to be 4 different scenes, right? Scene 1 should be the raider standing in the lobby. This lobby must have the exact look of the game. Scene 2 should be the same raider in Buried City. I'm about to shoot a pop robot. And scene 3 should be the raider in another location from the game, about to shoot another robot. And scene 4 should also be the raider, another location, about to shoot another robot. Make sure you include the lobby in the first scene. And the other 3 scenes should have 3 different robots from the game. Please check online for this so you get the exact detail, description, and naming of these robots and the characters and the maps the raider will be in, because the extra 3 scenes at the end after the first scene should be on different maps. I can't remember, so check online. Yeah, normally I could do research on this to try to have the scenes and name it out in the text, but I created an Agentic system which can actually go online and check stuff. So I want to see if it can hack it, basically. I'm maxing this out, just giving it vague details, seeing if we can do it. So when we get this on Nano Banana Pro, right, we're gonna test the result also on Nano Banana 2 and see what model does best. And I don't think I'll pick one. I'll probably still use both, to be fair. But let's see how this goes. So you do get a preview of your prompt. Anywhere you type a prompt, it's just something I felt makes it easier, and this is just crazy. Because this is a very cheap image model. It has no idea what I'm talking about. But yeah, fair. That is a lobby, I guess. So I specify 4 scenes here. We kind of have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's see how it handles it. Auto. For the art style, I want to go with Unreal Engine art style. Just that should be enough. Okay, Unreal Engine video game. To be fair, I know when I want to make things really perfect, like if I want to make a story on Family Guy, I just use Family Guy art style. So let's see if we can hack this, which is all creators art style. I wasn't trained on that since it's such a new game. So all creators, Unreal Engine video game. Overkill. Okay, all creators, Unreal Engine video game art style. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. I can always change it if it doesn't look good. So I want to use this aspect ratio because that's how the game actually looks like. And we have the model set, aspect ratio, art style. I think we're good. Hit it, baby. So it did get everything correct. Spaceport, Bear City, Blue Gate, so it knows what I mean, but I don't like this futuristic hideout. That would definitely not create what I want. So let's go back. Definitely my fault from the prompt. Speranza. I've been fiddling with the prompt and I still want to make it better. Let me specify this. Because the only gun I actually know in Arc Raiders is the Burletta. Must be a Burletta. I don't know if a Stitcher is a real gun, so must be a Burletta, or hopefully with that we have a Burletta in all scenes. So let's see what it generates. Side arm is clearly visible. It's clearly visible. A Burletta pistol. Okay. So let's use this. I did generate it the first time, and it had the radar by the side and an AK-47. So I'd like put the radar in the middle on scene 1, and you should hold a Burletta. So we have Bear City, Dam Battlegrounds, and right here, Stella Montes. Cool. It's Nano Banana Pro, so it takes a minute. I swear. I think Nano Banana 2 should be faster, so we'll test that out now. I'll leave the first results so you see the generation time. That completely sucks, but that's not Speranza. So I'm using the Agentic prompt and just telling the AI what I think the lobby looks like. So let's see if it's gonna update this. And I can always go back to this image, so don't worry. So I think I connected this to the internet, but I can't remember. I'm very sure I did that. And let's look at the preview. That's way better. So let's generate this. Hey, Burletta on point right here. Nice. Let's just generate everything. And normally, if I want to maintain the look of the radar, I would have to save this image and send that in the original prompt, so it just keeps using the same character. But I don't want to do that. I'm kind of testing it out to see if it can at least come close. I created a blueprint and it should have a very accurate description of the radar in every prompt, but without an image reference, the models just sometimes make something slightly different. You know how it goes. It looks like a pop. So I did say I want to make this a simple prompt, but I cannot help myself. I'm thinking I should describe the radar more to see if the model can easily replicate it. So have something less generic. It gave a very generic description, and he doesn't stand out at all. Yeah, that's definitely a Hornet, and this looks like Dan Battlegrounds, Bear City, Stillamontes. What should that be? This is pretty cool though, if the radars look the same. So let's go one more time. I will adjust the prompt to kind of describe the radar. Then this first one, make sure they're actually in the market in Speranza. Let's see. I wanted a simple prompt, but I ended up making something pretty complex. But I still like the fact that you can have like one story beat and just have it generate the whole thing for you instead of having to keep like type in prompts from scratch or going to chat GPT coming back. That's just weird. So I'm curious what this brings. That looks like a radar. I'll take it. But that is not a Burletta. Let's see the gun description. Holding a Burletta gun. So it's in the prompt, and it's just the AI just doesn't know what a Burletta is. So let's leave that. But just for fun, I will generate it again. We can always come back to this image. Also, I thought it was my engine that skipped it, even though I specified it. That would be a big problem, because you can never skip what I specify. Oh, the Burletta gun. Okay, okay. Maybe we should have said handgun. No, in real life. Oh, there's no gun actually called Burletta in real life, so yeah. That was on me. I thought that was a real gun. Okay, okay. Alright, so this is what we get from Gemini Pro. Alright, so this is what we get from Nano Banana Pro. Which apart from the Burletta issue, which I thought that was a real gun, so it could generate it. It's obviously would just make whatever it thinks a Burletta is. It's pretty decent, to be fair. It'd be better if I just said a handgun, but that's fine. So I'll switch up the models now and see if Nano Banana 2 is better than this. That's a fat Rocketeer. Still, the Rocketeer looks good. This is slightly more accurate to the game and with the actual shape of the robot and the rockets and everything, but I still prefer the first generation. I'll give this another try. Cause it has the Leaper name here, Arc Robot and Rated Gear. So why can't the model just check online like they promoted, right, and see how the robot should look and then recreate it? Was that a farce? This pop is the scariest pop I've seen in my life. So it's so unnerving. Like, what? Where is it going? This is a better Leaper, to be fair. So I'll try to make a video from this. I'll just choose the best images I got from everything. I actually saw something about legs here, which I think I missed. Makes no sense, so I just told it no legs. That was probably my engine tripping there. You can see rockets over here. Well, I have no idea where they're coming from, so fair. They go in two different directions. Come on. And the robot is right here, so not good. That's kind of nonsensical. And he's not trying to shoot. I think he's reloading with no clip. It feels incomplete. Yeah, exactly. There's no clip, and the robot's right there. It should be attacking. And we have something here that kind of signifies someone is shooting from this way, but the robot's over here. Like, it's very very high quality, but it confuses my brain. Okay, fair. This makes perfect sense to me. And mostly when you move this to like when you move this to video generation, then like this is just complete chaos. You have the rockets just going over there. Like, probably this spark is gonna like ignite like someone is shooting from there, and then he might not even shoot at the thingy because he's not even facing it. So they need to work on this some more, to be fair. Whenever I make things with artificial intelligence, especially with like video and image creation, I always make things complex. I should try to simplify it more. So I'm very sure other people won't notice these flaws because they're just trying to like generate like a guy walking into a bar or something very normal, like a girl, a lady on a train. Well, I'm just trying to recreate our creative video game. Our Creators was released when I think November or something like that. So yeah, fair. This is less quality, but more accurate and factual in representation and placing of objects. So I will skip Nano Banana 2 for now. Just I expected better results. I'm like trying to hack it, but it's just higher quality images, but with nonsensical positionings and incomplete actions. Like, let's go. Whatever. I'll wait for the next one. So right now it's working on a plan for the video. I can't speak. It's done with the plan, and then you hit auto prompt. I should automate this. I just haven't gotten to it, to be fair. There's a lot of stuff to do. And what video model do I want to use? Oh, I cut some out. I had more models than this. Let's maintain the quality. Use high low. Not cling. Cling is, look at that, 280. Damn, got him. I use cling sometimes, but only when I want to make something I'm really crazy about. To be fair, this is a meme, so it's only logical I have something with audio. Rated the guy low mention. Yeah, I did have an issue where the auto prompt doesn't know what people are, so you can say Raider could be a dinosaur, and it assumes that's a guy, so I had to like go add the personality. So that was a dog, to be like Raider the dog. Basically, you just little things like that. So the guy, fair. That's why it's phrased like that. Stay sharp. Movement beyond the stalls. We deploy my mark. Women beyond the stalls. I would prefer to say leaving Speranza. Say loadout. He is gonna say loadout set. System screen, we're deploying my mark. Yeah, that's cool. I'm not too focused on the motion now because I think that is gonna be perfect. Let's trying to get the dialogue. Even the video prompt is a very good image prompt to make something like this. So amazing. I hit it, babe. So I didn't want it to explode, but it's not trying to do that. I hope it would have been cool. I think I spent too much time on this, so let's watch the videos real quick, then stitch them together. Next time I'll make something simple. I'll stop trying to do too much. Definitely next time to be something simpler.
Loadout set. Systems green, we deploy on my mark. Loadout set. Systems green, we deploy on my mark. Loadout set. Systems green, we deploy on my mark. Threat. Contact pop closing fast. Neutralizing threat. Leaper jumping. Cook it.
Leaper did not jump.
Leaper jumping. Cook it.
So I'm thinking I might eliminate the 5 seconds, just make sure it's always 10 seconds. That might be a solution for all this. So there's more time for everything to happen. That might be too short. But I don't know, I'll think about it.
Rocket incoming down. Trailblazer out, hit it. Rocket incoming down. Trailblazer out, hit it. Rocket incoming down.
I didn't see the rocket.
Trailblazer out, hit it.
But it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'm getting pretty hungry right now. We good, all the videos generated, hit publish. I'll definitely do that. I will hide it on maybe my next 10 generations. Just hide the 5 seconds timer and stick to 10 seconds and everything. My next 10 generations, nice. Instead of killing complexity, I can just allow more time. Because I mostly just always use 5 seconds because that's default. So I might have to switch that up. Or maybe just make 10 seconds default. That might be the best solution to that. I don't need to crop this, do I? No, that's good right here. AI radar. I explicitly was supposed to make only images. Well, next time I make a video, I'm gonna really think about it and not just like make it because I want to make content. Just because I'm testing. But I just did it again. So let's watch this real quick. I'm trying to buffer and get some time so it actually transcode, because it's transcoding on the cloud now, stitching everything together. Still. Is it done? Oh, it is. Unmute. So
on February 24th, 2022,
timeline.
Russia launched a full-scale invasion of Ukraine.
Cool.
Pop closing fast. Loadout set. Systems green. We deploy on my mark. Contact pop closing fast. Neutralizing threat. Leaper jumping. Cook it. Rocket incoming down. Trailblazer out, hit it. Loadout set. Systems green, we deploy on my mark. Contact pop closing fast. Neutralizing threat. Leaper jumping. Cook it. Rocket incoming down. Trailblazer out, hit it.
Let's go eat something down. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep smiling. Sky's the limit.